Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Bluetooth option not showing or missing from your device manager of your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are trying to update your Bluetooth driver and it is not finding on your device manager, then here are the fixes. Open device manager, right click on start button and choose device manager, and here go to the view tab from the top menu bar, and here click on show hidden devices. It may be a possibility of the Bluetooth driver is hidden, so unhide your Bluetooth devices from device manager. This is the first workaround to fix this issue. And after that, check Bluetooth option missing error in your device manager resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run command box, type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. In services windows, from the available list, go to Bluetooth support service. Look for Bluetooth support service. Simply open it, apply a double click on it to open its properties windows, and make sure that service status is running. If you found it in the stop mode, then click on start and go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, check whether Bluetooth option missing in device manager on Windows 11 and 10 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, scroll down and click on system. Thereafter go to right side and look for the option troubleshoot. Scroll down and you will find the option troubleshoot. Click on it. Here click on other troubleshooters and here find the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Scroll down and other section you will find Bluetooth. Click on run option and follow on screen instruction to run Bluetooth troubleshoot in your Windows 11 and 10 system, and definitely it will resolve your issue.